What are the best motorcycles? Aprilia RSV4 Factory. When discussing the best motorcycles in the world, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory consistently stands out as a superbike engineered for dominance. With its racing pedigree, cutting-edge aerodynamics, and class-leading power, the RSV4 Factory is an exceptional machine designed to deliver breathtaking performance on both the track and the street. Unmatched power and performance. At the core of the Aprilia RSV4 Factory is a 1,099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, producing an astounding 217 horsepower and 125 Nm of torque. This high-revving powerhouse provides thrilling acceleration and a top speed that rivals MotoGP bikes. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox featuring a quickshifter, ensuring seamless gear transitions and optimal performance under any riding condition. The Akrapovič titanium exhaust system enhances airflow and delivers an aggressive, race-inspired exhaust note. Combined with an advanced cooling system, the RSV4 Factory ensures consistent performance even under extreme conditions. Aerodynamics and precision handling. Aprilia has incorporated MotoGP-derived aerodynamics into the RSV4 Factory's design, including integrated winglets that generate additional downforce for improved stability at high speeds. The lightweight aluminum dual-beam chassis provides exceptional rigidity and responsiveness, making the RSV4 Factory one of the best-handling superbikes on the market. The Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 electronic suspension dynamically adapts to riding conditions, delivering optimal comfort and control. Coupled with Brembo Stylema brakes, which provide outstanding stopping power, the RSV4 Factory ensures confidence-inspiring performance in all scenarios. Advanced electronics for maximum control. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory is packed with state-of-the-art electronic systems that enhance both safety and performance. Key features include Aprilia Performance Ride Control, APRC, a comprehensive suite of rider aids, including traction control, wheelie control, and launch control. 6-axis IMU, inertial measurement unit, optimizes braking, acceleration, and cornering stability. Multiple riding modes, customizable settings for different track and road conditions. Cornering ABS and engine braking control, provides enhanced safety and control during aggressive riding. Full-color TFT display, a modern and intuitive interface displaying real-time riding data. A true superbike experience. With a starting price of around $25,000, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory offers a perfect blend of raw power, sophisticated electronics, and track-proven agility, making it a dream machine for sport bike enthusiasts. Final verdict. Among the best motorcycles in the world, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory stands as an icon of speed, precision, and cutting-edge technology. With its powerful V4 engine, MotoGP-inspired aerodynamics, and state-of-the-art electronic systems, it is the ultimate superbike for riders who demand peak performance. Whether pushing limits on the racetrack or carving through mountain roads, the RSV4 Factory delivers an adrenaline-fueled riding experience like no other.